Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name is Ed Miles and this is the new for 2019 Segura Chester jacket. Okay, let's get into the Segura Chester jacket. So it's new for 2019, a classic black leather jacket. I mean, it's absolutely classic cafe racer jacket. You've got full grain leather, YKK zips on the pocket on the chest, down by the sides as well, so absolutely high quality. As always with Segura, you've got the leather panel behind the zip, so if you do have an accident, you slide along on the metal zip, the heat doesn't transfer to your body, so you've got that protection. A premium product's going to have that protection behind any metal zip. Staying on the front, as you can see, it's very classic. You've got the camo Segura badge, which gives you a sort of idea of where we're going with this a bit later on. Camo Segura badge, just give you a touch of camo on the side of the jacket there. Spinning it round to the side, nice quality, single panels leather, giving you the most protection. But just open up the popper on here, you'll see where we've just put another little touch just to pull it away from anything else on the market. So all the inserts in here are always going to be a camo material. It's still leather, so it's still a very high quality product. Still got YKK zippers, snap it back on, absolutely beautiful. Running it round to the back, you've got two large pieces of leather giving you maximum protection. So again, very few weak points on the back of the jacket. It is a Segura French jacket, so it is seer proof for abrasion resistance and burst resistance. And of course you've got your elbow, shoulder protectors and a pocket for a back protector if you did want to use one. Running on the shoulders, you've got Segura's power back system, so it allows you to run your shoulders nice and free, so when you're moving around the bike you're not getting any grip from the back of the jacket. Running back round to the front, snap on the top, nice metal finish to the popper at the top as well, so you get a nice quality product. YKK zipper, as you'd expect. Wind stopper material behind that zip, so on those cold winter nights you're not getting air through the front of the jacket. It's not a waterproof leather, it's a standard summer use jacket, but you've still got that built in behind the zip, again nice features inside the jacket. Opening up, olive green lining, absolutely beautiful quality, so just because it's inside the jacket, Segura aren't making it any cheaper on the inside, it's still premium everywhere you look. You've got the chest pocket on the inside, very secure pocket there. Lining pockets on one side and on the other side, and behind those you've also got pockets on the lining itself. So when you take that thermal lining out, you've still got the pockets, they're built on top of a wickable lining. So when you start to get hot, the moisture can spread out over a wickable lining and get out of the jacket, keeps you a bit more comfortable on those hot summer days. If I just open up the neck slightly, you'll see we're running around the top of the neck, you've also got a touch of camo. So as you can see with the jacket shut, it's a lovely classic black jacket, just with a touch of camo on the Segura badge. But there's nice little details on the inside that you know about. You've got a bit more detailing that you wouldn't find on a cheaper jacket. This is a premium jacket made of the highest quality. As I say, fully CE approved, the 2019 Segura Chester jacket. If you like this video, please click subscribe down below, or like, or leave a comment for any more information.